Hi there. Today I want to share with you what's happening specifically in the prime London area when it comes to the lettings market. So one thing that's interesting and consistent from the last few quarters is that tenants who otherwise would be buying in a normal market continue to hold back and continue to rent because they're very cautious. Now combine that with buy-to-let investors who are actually at the moment also very cautious and not buying these properties and making them available to the market, it means that there is a lack of supply. But there hasn't been a weakening in demand. So that's very interesting. And because of that, we can see some key figures here as well. So I just want to share with you that 44%, £44 per square foot annual rent value. That's what's been achieved in quarter 2019, quarter one. 2.5% increase in achieved rents. So it's been increasing. 69% of agents said that landlords were not increasing the rental prices when it comes to renewals. And that's just basically because the landlords, they really want to keep their tenants, and given that there's so much instability in the market at the moment, they just rather continue keep enjoying that cash flow and not upsetting their tenants and keeping them there. So 30% of agents reported an increase in landlords selling their properties. And we saw this because we recently did a seminar for investors, in which we had legal advisors and tax advisors. And that's one of the key questions at the moment in terms of a landlord, and I'm a landlord myself, is whether it's worth selling the property right now. Is it worth being a landlord here in the UK at the moment? We're going to be running another seminar very shortly in the next couple of months, so please do look out and feel free to reach out to us and ask any questions. So there you have it, the lettings market. One thing to also share with you is that 57% of agents have actually been increasing their renewals. So 57% increase on renewals compared to the same time this time last year. So that's substantial, and 14% fewer let compared to, again, this period last year. So some changes there. If you want to find out more in terms of the lettings market compared to properties that you have, because this is quite broad, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help looking at your price range, looking at your unique situation and looking at your neighborhood. Thank you very much.